I found this whitewash piece of wood at Dollar General, but for the same size, you can grab this pine board from the Dollar Tree and paint it yourself. I removed the hanger. I'm going to take a ruler or a straight edge, and I'm going to mark a line going from corner to corner with a pencil. I'm going to go over to my scroll saw and I'm going to cut corner to corner. And then you're going to take your two pieces, you're going to flip it around, and now you have the shape of a triangle. The more rectangle your piece of wood is, the taller your tree will be. And I found this other piece of wood also at the Dollar General that was also whitewashed, and they went together well. And I used some wood glue down the seam of the two parts, a little bit of hot glue for that instant hold, and I laid my whitewashed piece of wood on that seam. And then that gave me a stem. I found this little farmhouse candle from the Target, and I took a heat gun and started to melt the wax inside. Then I took a pair of scissors and started to make a little groove, and I was able to stick the tree right in the wax. And then I allowed that to cool off, and then I had this cute little stand. I found these snowflakes at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put one at the top. I took one of these wood slices with some wood glue and a little bit of hot glue and set my stand on the wood slice. I took some Spanish moss and put it on the inside of my candle to mask that. And then I took some jute and I'm just going to wrap it around, going down on an angle all the way down the tree. And then wrap it around the stem. Just do my little touches of hot glue to hold everything in place. And glue it to the back. This is super simple, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.